So the question is, given sine A equals to 3 over 5, where 0 degrees less than equal to A less than equal to 360 degrees, and sine B equals to 12 over 13, where 180 degrees less than equal to B less than equal to 270 degrees. Without using the calculator, determine the value of cos A minus B. So how can we solve this? To solve this equation, we need to use the compound angle formula. Compound angle formula have three formulas in it. So, which one of these three formulas that you think are suitable for our problem? Yes, you're right. The number 2 formula that are suitable for our problem. So now, let's collect the info from the question. So as you can see, we can only find the value of sine A and sine B in this question. So as we know, sine equals to opposite per hypotenuse, or we can call it so. So that means sine A equals to 3 over 5, which is 3 is opposite and 5 is hypotenuse. And sine B equals to 12 over 13, which is 12 is opposite and 13 is hypotenuse. Use the theorem Pythagoras to find out the value of adjacent in triangle A and triangle B. In triangle A, the value of opposite is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. So the adjacent will be 4. In triangle B, the opposite is 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. So absolutely the adjacent will be 5. Keep in mind that every student should be remember this both value of the Pythagoras. Now we have the value of the triangle A and triangle B. Next, we have to find the value of cosine A and cosine B. We learned before that cosine equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is we call COR. So that means cosine A equal to 4 over 5, which is 4 is adjacent and 5 is hypotenuse. And then cosine B equal to 5 over 13, which is 5 is adjacent and 13 is hypotenuse. Next, we have to insert all the value into the formula. So this is the value that we gain in our calculation, and this is our formula. So you can just directly transfer the value into our formula like this. And then you have to remember that we need to do the multiplication first before we do the plus operation. So 4 times 5 is 20 and 5 times 13 is 65, plus 3 times 12 is 36 and 5 times 13 is 65. If you don't remember how much 5 times 13 is, don't worry, because I'm here to help you. So you just have to remember that 5 times 12 is 60. To make it 13, you just have to add another 5 in it. So 5 times 13 is 65. As you can see, the denominator are the same, so you can make the operation plus directly. So 20 plus 36 over 65 equal to 56 over 65. So the final answer is cosine A minus B equals to 56 over 65. So looks like we did it! Yay! That's awesome, guys! So, in conclusion, we can solve the compound angle formula without using the calculator. So, that's all from me today. Goodbye. See ya later.